Here's a review of the Matchday 5 results in League 1. Well, I have to say I've underestimated Cardiff again. They've gone to Luton and won 1-0 away. They're sitting pretty at the top of the table and I won't underestimate them again. For Luton, it's middle of the park, 9 points out of 15. Not awful, but probably not the start they'd hoped for. In the other early kickoffs, it was Rotherham 2, Wigan 2. Wigan's first point on the road this season, and a decent point for Rotherham because Wigan looked pretty good this year. I'm pretty sure Nombe is injured. I don't know how long for. Rotherham fans, if you could tell me. They need him back as soon as possible. Wimbledon beat Barnsley 2-0. Barnsley have had a fantastic start to the season, so that's a great result for Wimbledon, who have now got 9 points out of 15. I did think Wimbledon would struggle for goals this season. I'm being proven wrong. Stevens has chipped in with a few again, and Antoine Hackford's goal at the weekend was fantastic. Bolton 1, Lincoln 1. I did expect this result to go this way. I did actually think Lincoln were going to edge it. Lincoln scored in the first minute and Bolton got a 90+7 equaliser. Before the game, Lincoln might have taken that result. On reflection, they probably would have wanted 3 points. Huddersfield beat Stevenage 1-0. That puts an end to Stevenage's 100% record. Stevenage will be more than fine this season, but I think Huddersfield just had too much firepower for them, especially at home. Mansfield completely dismantled Leyton Orient 4-1. That's now 3 wins in a row and 4 if you include the Cup. A great response from Nigel Clough's side after 2 losses at the start of the season. Northampton beat Exeter 2-0 and I think both of these two sides will be in a relegation battle come the end of the season. So for Northampton, it's going to be really key that they win at home. 2 early first half goals got them the win here. Peterborough drew 1-1 at Bradford, and Bradford seem to be doing better against sides that they're probably not fancied against. Either way, it's a fantastic start to the season for Bradford. They'll be more than happy with that. Plymouth got their first 3 points, in fact their first points on the board against a struggling Blackpool. That's a good response for Plymouth. I'm not sure what's going on at Blackpool. The players don't seem to be gelling yet. Port Vale beat Doncaster 1-0, and though Port Vale's performances have been good so far this season, you will start to worry for them. I think they'll be more than fine this season, but that's only 2 points on the board now in 5 games. Doncaster, on the other hand, are just outside the playoffs with 10 points. A very good side for Grant McCann's side. Stockport beat Burton 2-1, and there's more to this game than you'd think. Burton went 1-0 up in the first half. Stockport had a man sent off, and yet still come back to win in the second half 2-1. Burton will consider that definitely 3 points lost. That's really good character from Stockport, who are up into the playoff positions now. Wycombe and Reading played out a 2-2 draw. Reading will probably be the happy of the two sides, but Wycombe did score a late goal and Reading could have taken all 3 points.